Welcome to SEO PowerSuite video training series. In this video, you'll learn how to find backlinks pointing to any website and uncover your competitors' key link building secrets. You can do this with one of SEO PowerSuite tools, SEO SpyGlass. When you first launch SEO SpyGlass, it displays a step-by-step wizard. First, choose if you want to analyze a specific website and enter its URL, or let SEO SpyGlass find a top-ranking competitor for your target keyword and spy out their backlink strategy. As an example, let's go with the first option and choose to check, say, weather.com. Now you can simply press Next and let SEO SpyGlass do the work, or fine-tune some advanced settings beforehand, which leads us to step number 2. SEO SpyGlass will search for the site's links in each of the sources you choose here. On top of the list, you've got SEO SpyGlass's own and unique backlink database, a huge source of backlinks that no other software has. This option makes your search deeper and even more effective. When you're done, just click Next. Choose if you want SEO SpyGlass to reveal a certain amount of backlinks, or go with an unlimited search. Now you see your SEO SpyGlass in action. Yoo-hoo! Okay, here we've got 42,308 backlinks found. Thank you, SEO SpyGlass. In the column on the left, you can see where each backlink was found, whether it came from a search engine or SEO SpyGlass's own database. Now SEO SpyGlass lets you collect loads of crucial analytical SEO data for each of the found links. Here you have a list of default SEO factors, but you can also click Add More and have numerous extra parameters to choose from. Alexa PageRank, DMOZ listing, pages indexed in Google, traffic according to compete.com, presence in social media. Altogether, about 40 key SEO factors. Go ahead and select the parameters that are important to you and click Next. By the way, choosing fewer factors here can speed up the search. Now we see SEO SpyGlass in progress again. Okay, the factors you need are collected, and we are now in SEO SpyGlass's working area. By default, it only shows the default SEO factors. If you have chosen some extra factors to analyze links for, you can add them to your working area using Workspace Edit. Choose the factors from the Available Columns box and move them to Visible Columns. By the way, in the very same window, you can set SEO SpyGlass to sort your backlinks by domain, so that you see them arranged by the website they're coming from, right here. As you see, you can easily shape up your working area any way you like. Also, you've got several ready-made sets of working area options to choose from. For instance, you can choose to see all the links coming from forums and blogs, or view the newfound links only. You can also click on any column to sort the info accordingly, and scroll horizontally to see all the columns. Plus, there's also a quick search facility in SEO SpyGlass to help you find any specific item in your project. Now, let's briefly explain how you can interpret the data you've got from SEO SpyGlass. The link value column lets you estimate how much PR a link from a given page can potentially pass on to another website. The higher the page's PR and the fewer outbound links it has, the more SEO value it can bring to your site. Now you can choose the most PR-rich sources to get links from. The DMOZ column shows you if the website is listed in the DMOZ directory. Same thing about Yahoo directory column, which comes next. These directories are highly trusted by search engines, so having a link from a website listed in them is something to help your SEO a great deal. Pay attention to the domain age column. The older the website, the higher its credibility in search engines, and thus the bigger SEO value of a link coming from that site. Alexa Rank column shows you a website's traffic level compared to other sites on the web. This is a critical SEO factor, as it helps you assume how much traffic your website can potentially get from this or that link partner. You've got a lot more factors to analyze here, but let's move on. To do even more analytics, you can use the button up left. From Keywords and Anchor Text tabs, you will see what keywords and anchors your competitor is using. How about using some of their best keyword ideas? Anchor URL tab points out your competitors' most important landing pages and shows where their main link building efforts are directed to. Now that all the factors are analyzed, it's time to build SEO relationships with the juiciest link sources. Just pick up the sweetest backlink sources and try to get them to link to your site as well. You have all their contact information right here. By the way, you can have the data packed for you in a report form as well. To have SEO SpyGlass generate a report for you, simply go to the Report tab. You can then choose between 3 types of reports on different aspects of your link research. Okay, it's just the right time for you to start your own search for profitable backlinks and enjoy your journey to the top of Google with SEO SpyGlass.